Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to add points to a cube. So as example, you can create cube by using the cube tabs and then click the EP cube. I will create here for the simple cube. Press enter to apply. Now if you right click in this object and click edit points, there are 3 points, these points, end points, middle point, and end point. So the next I will add for the points at this area. You can right click, hold, and then use the curve point. Now I can select the point at this area, and the next go to curve, and you can use the insert node. So it will be automatically set into the point. The next you can right click again, go to edit point. So we have this new point. Okay, we'll add again at this area. You can right click, hold, click curve point. Okay, we'll click at this point, and you can go to curve, click insert node. And the next you can use edit points to select the point and edit like in the blue axis. Okay, that's it for a basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to add points to a curve.